Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Reno 8T to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your apps are ready, open them. Now, in order to use them, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on an Android, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your OPPO and receive next to Send on an Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your apps. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window. Go to OPPO and tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. You can also just click on the chosen ones. And when you're ready, click on Send next to Selected in order to continue. Now tap on Got it in the pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to, you can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key over here instead. And click on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!